Hi everyone who's at the graduation of the Wrexham and Flintshire Children's University. I'm Colin Jackson, the Chancellor of Glyndŵr University, so I know a lot about what it takes to study. And also coming from the world of sport, that's professional sport, I know what it takes to be a winner. So in my eyes, you're all winners. Your parents are amazingly proud. I can imagine you look amazing in your robes. So listen, enjoy your day. And remember, this is just the beginnings of a wonderful life ahead. Take all the opportunities that you can, because you never know where those opportunities can take you. Stay safe and be happy.
Congratulations to all the children and young people involved in today's graduation ceremony for Wrexham and Flintshire Children's University. My name's Rachel Taylor. I'm the ex-Welsh captain of the women's rugby team in Wales. I'm now performance rugby coach over in Sale Sharks in Manchester. I'm really sorry that I can't be with you guys tonight, but I wanted to just give you a quick message. Firstly, to say congratulations. To put in so much effort and hard work over the year is a real credit to you guys. And I hope you had the opportunity to look back on your journey and reflect on some of the good times and the friendships that you've made along the way. Also, just to say, keep going. Don't give up now. You've tried lots of new things. There's still loads more experiences out there and opportunities for you to fill your potential. Have a great night, everybody, and hopefully I'll see you soon.
Hi guys, just wanted to say massive congratulations to you all. Hope you have a wonderful day, enjoy the day, and congratulations again. Cheers.
Hello to all the children and young people involved in the Children's University. It's Dr. Angie just sending you a little message to say hello and well done for all the incredible hard work that you have put in, the skills you've learned, the things you've been doing is stuff that you're going to cherish and use for many, many years to come. So congratulations on your graduation.
Hello, this is Michael Sheen here. I'm going to be a bit quiet because there's a sleeping baby just here. But I wanted to send huge congratulations to all the children graduating this Friday from Wrexham and Flintshire Children's University. What a fantastic idea, and well done to everybody. Brilliant to see you maximising your potential, being creative, and really committing to doing things outside of school. I think it's a brilliant thing to get involved with, and congratulations to you all. Fantastic achievement. All the best with everything you go on to do and continue to do, and all the best with the project there. Bye bye.